Good afternoon. Today is Friday, June 2nd, and I'm just going to do a quick middle of the day just to test some things out technology-wise here. First of all, I wanted to look at Endo Pharmaceuticals. This is a stock that we had looked at as a potential short last night, and I just wanted to show the dangers of being early in that short. And basically what we were looking for was for the stock to break down some support, through some support, and as well as this rising trend line. We were looking for it to break down through this level at a minimum before we were to get it short. And you can see here that instead the stock went above this level here that I had suggested if you were going to get in early that you want to put your stop up there. So obviously Endo Pharmaceutical is not a good short sale candidate right here, right now. The buyers seem to have taken control. What I do have my eyes on is a very similar setup, and I wanted to show this Endo Pharmaceutical first so you don't make the same mistake of getting in early. But this company is Immucor, blood, and I think I smell blood in the water here for the longs. Basically, the stock, the daily time frame, had a severe breakdown on a gap. A lot of times these gaps come back up to that level and then find further weakness, especially when you see that volume diminishing on the rally. And we started to see a little bit heavier volume as we saw distribution up here towards the high end of this prior support becoming resistance here, which is also near the declining 20-day moving average. So looking at a 10-minute time frame, I think basically if you can see the stock break below today's lows at about $18.10, that's a good opportunity to potentially get short this stock. I'm going to put my stop right up here at about $18.35, and that's something that I'm going to be looking at on the short side here. But again, don't be early. You're better to wait for that momentum to come into the stock before you get involved. Another stock that I just purchased, and I do own the stock. I'm not trying to pump it. It's got some big volume, so I just want to make you guys aware of it here. We had spoken about it earlier in the week, and I had suggested a stop that did get hit. But this PPHM looks like it's trading some good volume. It had a lot of resistance at $1.60 here earlier, and I think that you'll probably see another pullback towards that $1.60 level here today. I think you can buy this stock at $1.60, although it's moving a little bit right now and it's got big volume. I think you can get it a little bit cheaper here. That's the price I own it at. I actually bought some at $1.61 as well. It's up to you to decide whether you want to trade any of these stocks or not. Use your own stops. Take a look at the ideas. Look at the fundamentals. Decide whether you want to hold them overnight. Over the weekend especially. And again, this is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. Thanks for your time.